Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set custom vibration on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, setting up custom vibration, you can do it for a specific contact. So first thing is go ahead and open up your Contacts app, and let's go ahead and select a contact here. Now, once you select a contact here, you're going to see an option that says Edit. So you're going to click on to edit that contact. And where you set the custom vibration is for two things: the ringtone and text tone, basically when they send you a message or if they're calling. So if you want to set up for when they're calling, you're going to select on ringtone. From ringtone, we're going to click on haptics right here. And in the haptics, by default, it's going to have a default vibration. But if you want to create your own custom one, you can create new custom ones. So tap on it. And in order to create one, you would basically tap to create a pattern. So if you start tapping, specific emotion, and once you're ready, you just click on stop and then save, and then you're going to give a name, for example, Joe Vive. So I'm going to hit save, and this one I created a custom one specifically for this contact. Now I can go back again to hit done, and I've set a custom one. Now I can do the same for text tone as well. I can select on text tone, haptics, and then I can use that same one that I created or create another different one specifically for this, and then stop, and then save, and then give it another name. Let's say give this one a different name, save, and now I have another one specifically for their text, and then go back and hit done. So now you can see here I have two different custom vibration for this contact, so I'll know whenever they're either texting or calling, and I'll hit done. And you have to go ahead and back and do it for each contact that you want a custom vibration for. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.